Introducing the Mello Charger, the world's sleekest high-performance charger designed to keep you powered up wherever you go. Adventure might be unpredictable, but having a powered-up device won't be, no matter where in the world you roam. So go ahead, travel far and wide. Mello's got your back. At just a fraction of the size of traditional chargers, the Mello Charger is a true game-changer. But don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a punch. But what truly sets the Mello Charger apart is its portability. Thanks to its innovative design, it fits right on your keyring, so you'll never leave home without it. Say goodbye to bulky chargers and tangled cords. With the Mello Charger, you'll always have power at your fingertips. Mello 20-watt powerful gallium nitride fast charging with foldable plugs for smartphones, tablets, notebooks, earbuds, smartwatches, and more. Exclusive discount on launch day, so sign up to get the launch alert or reserve best price now for just $1.